ChatGPT vs Grammarly. Which is the best writing assistant? Join us as we witness the showdown of the writing assistants. In today's fast-paced world of tweets and texts, being able to write clearly and effectively is more important than ever. But let's face it, not everyone is a grammar guru or spelling bee champ. That's where writing assistants come in handy. Two of the most popular tools out there are ChatGPT and Grammarly, both promising to elevate your writing game. So, the question on everyone's mind: which one should you choose? Fear not, we're going to dive into the details and find out which one reigns supreme. Let's get started. ChatGPT. The AI-based language model. ChatGPT is an AI-based language model that uses deep learning techniques to analyze and understand human language. It has been trained on vast amounts of text data from the internet, including websites, social media, and other online sources. This enables it to understand the nuances of human language and generate responses that are highly contextual and appropriate. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to handle complex and ambiguous language, such as sarcasm, humor, and idioms. This makes it an ideal tool for businesses that want to maintain a friendly and approachable tone with their customers, as it can understand and respond to a wide range of conversational styles and tones. ChatGPT is also highly flexible and can be used to generate text in a wide range of formats, including short messages, long-form content, and even poetry and creative writing. This makes it a powerful tool for content creators and writers who want to explore new ideas and styles of writing. One potential drawback of using ChatGPT is that it may generate responses that are not always completely accurate or appropriate, especially when dealing with sensitive topics. However, this can be mitigated by training the model on specific data sets or by using human moderators to oversee its responses. Overall, ChatGPT represents a significant breakthrough in the field of natural language processing and is helping to drive innovation in areas such as customer service, content creation, and language translation. Its ability to understand and respond to human language in a highly contextual and nuanced way is truly remarkable and is transforming the way we communicate and interact with technology. Grammarly. The writing assistant, Grammarly, on the other hand, is a valuable tool for writers who want to improve the quality of their writing by catching errors and making suggestions for improvement. It is primarily used for writing and editing longer-form content like emails, essays, and articles. Grammarly is generally very reliable and accurate, although it may not catch every possible error or suggest every possible improvement. It supports multiple languages, but its core functionality is focused on English language writing. Grammarly also uses AI technology, but it is primarily based on rule-based algorithms that have been programmed by its developers. In addition to catching errors and making suggestions for improvement, Grammarly also provides users with detailed explanations and examples of why certain changes are being suggested. This can be very helpful for users who want to improve their writing skills and learn more about grammar and punctuation rules. One of the key advantages of Grammarly is its ability to provide users with real-time feedback as they write, highlighting potential errors and suggesting improvements as the user types. This can help users to catch mistakes early on in the writing process and make corrections before submitting their work. Grammarly also offers a variety of features that can be tailored to different writing styles and goals. For example, users can select the tone of their writing, choose whether to use American or British English, and even select a specific writing genre to help Grammarly make more accurate suggestions for improvement. Overall, while ChatGPT and Grammarly serve different purposes, they are both powerful tools for improving written communication. ChatGPT is ideal for businesses that need to provide quick and contextually appropriate responses to customer inquiries, while Grammarly is a valuable tool for writers looking to improve the quality and clarity of their writing. ChatGPT vs Grammarly. Pros and cons. Both ChatGPT and Grammarly have their advantages and disadvantages. One of the potential drawbacks of ChatGPT is that it may generate responses that are not always completely accurate or appropriate, especially when dealing with sensitive topics. On the other hand, Grammarly is generally very reliable and accurate, although it may not catch every possible error or suggest every possible improvement. ChatGPT is able to understand and respond to a wide range of conversational styles and tones, which can be useful for businesses that want to maintain a friendly and approachable tone with their customers. In contrast, Grammarly is more focused on ensuring that writing is clear, concise, and grammatically correct, and may not be as effective at helping writers convey a specific tone or voice. Another potential drawback of using ChatGPT is that it may not always be able to understand the context or intent behind a user's message, which can lead to misunderstandings or inappropriate responses. On the other hand, Grammarly may sometimes be overly strict or picky about grammar and punctuation, which can be frustrating for users who feel that their writing is being overly scrutinized. Additionally, ChatGPT is often used in chatbots and virtual assistants to provide automated customer support, while Grammarly is used by individual users to improve their writing skills and by businesses to ensure that their written content is error-free. One of the strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text in a wide range of formats, including short messages, long-form content, and even poetry and creative writing. This versatility can be beneficial for businesses or individuals who need to generate various types of content. On the other hand, Grammarly is primarily focused on improving the grammar and mechanics of writing, and may not be as effective at helping users with more creative writing tasks. This can limit its usefulness for those who are looking to improve their creative writing abilities. It's important to note that both ChatGPT and Grammarly have their own unique features and strengths, and the choice between the two ultimately depends on the user's specific needs and goals. Some may find that ChatGPT's ability to generate contextually appropriate responses in real time is more important, while others may prioritize Grammarly's ability to catch grammar and punctuation errors. In conclusion, ChatGPT is like your chatty friend who's always ready to help with whatever you need. It's often used in chatbots and virtual assistants to provide automated customer support. But don't let that fool you. ChatGPT is also a wizard when it comes to generating text in all sorts of formats, from short messages to long-form content, and even poetry and creative writing. Meanwhile, Grammarly is like your strict English teacher who won't let you get away with any spelling or grammar mistakes. It's perfect for individual users who want to improve their writing skills, and businesses who want to make sure their content is error-free. While Grammarly may not be as effective at helping with creative writing tasks, it's the go-to tool for nailing down the basics of good writing. So, which one is better? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. If you're a creative writer who wants to experiment with different styles and formats, ChatGPT might be your best bet. But if you just want to make sure your writing is grammatically correct and error-free, Grammarly has got your back. Ultimately, the choice between ChatGPT and Grammarly depends on your specific needs and goals. We're dying to know what you think about the ultimate showdown between ChatGPT and Grammarly. Have you tried out these writing wizards before? Drop your thoughts in the comments section down below. And if you love this video as much as we loved making it, then hit that thumbs up button and smash that subscribe button for even more tantalizing content on writing tools and techniques.